Hi there, welcome back to video 6 of the Excel Highlights series. What I would like to look at now is something called autocorrect. We've just looked at the fact that sometimes Excel changes things automatically. This might be because of autocorrect. For example, if I do a spelling mistake like TEH, as soon as I hit the space bar, it changes it to the. Or maybe I type Monday without a capital M. Soon as I hit the space bar, or press enter for that matter, it'll automatically apply a capital M. So autocorrect is something that's common to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, or Microsoft applications. And what you can do is you can get into it and actually influence it. If you want to influence your autocorrect, you can go into File, you can go into Options, and you'll find it under Proofing on the left. There's a button called Autocorrect Options on your right, and basically this is where it automatically capitalizes two initial capitals, the beginning of a sentence, the name of a day. Even if you got your caps lock on and you suddenly realize it, don't backspace, keep typing, because as soon as you hit spacebar, it'll automatically correct accidental use of caps lock. But I also use it to replace certain terms with other terms, such as replace CB with Kathy Barker. You can also add your own ones in here. So I've got replace SS with Software Solutions. You might decide you want to replace Hobic with Holland Beckett and add. When I go OK and OK, should I type Hobic now and hit the space bar, it'll replace it with Holland Beckett. So autocorrect is a very useful feature, can save you an awful lot of time, available in all the applications. Stay tuned, come back for the next video.